This is Carl with the three things I'm watching for Thursday, April the 17th. Starting out Thursday, export sales. We'll get those out today. Trade going to be watching pretty closely, not just for the volume we're selling, but who we're selling to. Several flash sales leading up to this. Now, they won't all be included in this week's numbers, but we did see a perk up in flash sales last week. We had a couple in there and a few more this week. Now, we didn't have any yesterday, but trade looking for some pretty decent numbers in the exports. Uh, going to watch especially to see if we have any cancellations. That'll be the big thing. That's becoming more of a topic. Luckily enough, we don't have a lot of sales that really would be washed out of right now. Obviously, China is the main concern. Beef and pork is where we'll be probably watching for more cancellations. China more than likely would wash out of red meats right now before anything else, especially with their domestic production perking up a little bit. Speaking of red meat production, we're going to get the cattle on feed report after the close today for the month of April. April 1st, cattle on feed expected to be around 98 to 99% of last year. Looking at March placements coming in around 103 to 104% of last year, and the marketings in March expected to be about 101% of last year. Those numbers would both be up from February. February, we didn't have very good marketings or placements, so expecting to see a little bit of a rebound on those numbers. Livestock, likely a lot of jockeying back and forth ahead of that today. Not a lot of fresh news for the livestock going on here this week, but I do expect to see a tad bit of we'll see a reaction to them cattle on feed numbers, but we got to remember the market is closed tomorrow, and that's my third thing. We'll see the market close tomorrow, so any reaction to the cattle on feed won't take place until next Monday. So, it's going to have to be pretty bullish or bearish to have a market impact over a long holiday weekend. Can't rule it out, but that might lose some of the effect of the numbers we see. And again, yes, trade closed tomorrow. We have normal trading hours today. Trade will be closed tomorrow and then open up Sunday night at its normal times. 3-day weekend for the Good Friday holiday tomorrow. Here's the thing: government won't be closed. Tariffs will still be. We'll still be getting tariff news over the long holiday weekend, and we're going to see a lot of positioning today. I feel ahead of that, more so than the export numbers and the cattle on feed and anything else. I think we're going to see some trading, some more safe haven trading today would be expected. Yesterday, the gold over $100 an ounce higher, $110. Safe haven buying commodities are being included in that now, and that's starting to benefit us a little bit. We'll see if we can keep that momentum going. Those are the three things I'm watching today.